Hello, I'm Sarah Maiga, Realtor and your home buying expert. I believe buying a home is one of the biggest financial investments you can make. While it is a major commitment and responsibility, it is also a very exciting time in your life. With that being said, it is important to keep in mind that buying a home can be a complicated process. In this session, I will inform you about all the steps of the home buying process so that you can feel confident, make informed decisions, and be an educated buyer. What are the steps involved with buying a home? Let's just start with the purchasing timeline. So step 1, as you may have seen in my last video, you'll want to have a consultation and hire a buyer's agent that you trust. In doing so, we will create a custom buyer portal for all of your needs. And I'm going to have a special video on buyer portals and why it's important to you in a future video. After we discuss all of your needs and wants, we'll craft a custom moving plan. If you're interested in learning more about what that is, check out the link in the description below today to see a video on that topic. Then we will align on timeline, communication expectations, and to ensure a smooth process and amazing experience. Step 2, get pre-approved with a reliable lender. Your lender should be reviewing 2 years of your taxes, your current W-2, and pulling your credit information. Now, you may be hesitant to do this, but you most certainly do not want to start looking at $400,000 homes to find out the monthly payment is $1,200 more than your ideal budget. The lender can help you understand tax rates, interest rates, closing costs, and your loan options, which are all very important to know up front before you begin looking for a house. Furthermore, most properties will request a pre-approval letter before we can go see it, as the seller does not want to leave their home for someone who cannot afford to buy it. Step 3, find the right property. To do this, look in your buyer portal regularly, leave notes for your agent, and drive around and explore different neighborhoods. Prior to writing an offer, we'll want to make sure that we review the seller's disclosure statement and are aware of the age of all the hardware, and that your agent has looked at comparable home sales. Step 4, write an offer and get it accepted. Once you find the right home, we will do our best to get your offer accepted with the terms that are agreeable to you. However, you have to understand that this may not always be possible depending on the market or what you're willing to offer. But with the right preparation and conversations around market and determining your comfort zone, you will get the right home at the right time. Step 5, remove any remaining contingencies. Once your offer is accepted, you'll generally have a 7-day window to inspect the house and learn more about the neighborhood or anything else that interests you. During this time frame, you have the right to walk away from the home for any reason whatsoever. If all is good at the end of the home inspection, then you'll submit your loan application and an appraisal will be ordered by your lender. The appraisal is to ensure the lender that what you're offering to pay the seller can be supported with comparable sales, so they will lend you the money. Once appraisal is completed, if there are no issues, then the file will move to underwriting for final loan approval. And finally, step 6, closing. Congratulations on your new home. Title will send out closing statements for review 1 to 3 days in advance. Everyone will sign the documents, and money will be dispersed to the seller and collected from the buyer. If the seller does not have occupancy, that's where the seller remains in the property after closing per the contract, then you'll get the keys at closing. This whole process generally takes 30 to 45 days for a standard mortgage. However, sometimes they can be done in as little as 2 weeks if your lender can expedite the loan process. With that being said, I want to encourage you to watch this video again. Make sure you fully understand the different steps in the home buying process, as it is an important investment for you to make. Furthermore, I have to point out that in today's episode, I did not cover any topics that involve potential issues that could arise throughout the process or what your options are in dealing with those. Commonly, issues could involve inspection, appraisal, title, environmental concerns, and more. I will cover some of the pitfalls in another episode, so make sure to subscribe by hitting the button below today. Now, if you still have questions about the home buying process or you're ready to hire Maiga Homes, let's schedule an in-person consultation today. Since every real estate transaction is unique, you will most likely have questions or concerns not presented in this video. That's what my team is here for, to assist you at every step, to answer your questions, and of course, to help you find the home you desire. We're happy to be a resource or to refer you to another qualified agent if we're not able to personally assist you. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.